Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Max and Josh.
And I'm Veronica.
And
together
we're the hair people.
We're the hair people, right? So welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
Before we continue, please,
yes.
please don't forget to like, subscribe,
give us some love.
Give us some love.
Okay, so today I have created this super simple, easy bun for anyone who has like 2-day-old hair that wants to push it for another couple days and still look sexy.
As me.
If you've got old hair and you just want to whip it up, this is literally takes you 5-10 minutes to do, and it's this.
Yes, and we're gonna link down below all the products that we used in this tutorial, so you guys can have a look.
Yeah. Okay, so when you're working with hair that is maybe a day or two old, you really want to use some dry shampoo or texturizing spray just to make sure you get the grip in the hair. And
what are you using now?
So I'm using All Day Dry Texturizing Spray.
Okay.
And you really want to saturate the hair. This will help so much when you're actually trying to create the bun. Okay, so firstly, we are creating kind of like a low bun. So I actually want to section the front from the back, and the easiest way that I find to create a bun is to actually get it in a ponytail because it's super secure. So let's just pull this down and let's actually maybe add a bit more texturizing spray. So that's just going to add grip. So I'm going to use a bungee, and it's very similar to a hair tie, but it's just easier for me to apply. For you, you could just use a normal hair tie, or like an elastic band, or whatever. Okay. We want it to be quite a loose bun, so we don't have to worry too much about getting it too tight. Now we want to decide whether we actually want to keep a parting in the hair, or we want to make it all just effortlessly fall back. I want to keep this parting in the hair because I feel like it's going to make it look a bit more relaxed. And also we're going to let go of some of the front, just to make sure it feels super undone rather than done. You know.
You know.
You don't want to look like super done.
No, no.
And the reason that I've actually taken this part out is so I can pull this back, this bit back so much more loose. This spray. Oh, you look sexy. You want to look to see
like
how it's gonna frame your face really nicely. So I find that these bits out, especially around the ears, like this, can make it feel like really loose and natural. Okay, let's just touch more of this. You can really be quite liberal with the product.
We can tell.
You like product in your hair, don't you?
Yeah.
And I just keep checking your mirror, keep checking everything.
Everything. And more.
Everything and more. But at the same time, like, don't overthink it, just pull it back. And so I'm actually holding this very loosely. And then I'll take my second hair tie. I'm using bungee. So you see, like when I pull that loose, you can still see the wave. Okay. Let's this. Okay, again, check your mirror. Check everything looks sexy. You could leave it like that, but we want to do like a really nice soft bun. So there's so many ways you can do it. No way is the right way. I'm just going to split this in two, and I'm going to make a little twist. But again, I'm going to keep it really nice and loose, so it's just not overdone. And look, we can even kind of like pull bits out. So it just adds to the texture and beachiness of it. You can almost make this bit actually quite messy. The messier it is, actually the cooler it's going to be. So this really comes down to a personal taste, but I like it to be as messy as possible. and kind of leaving these bits out hanging. I find it adds more bun to the hair. It's really nice and messy. And then have a look at the front and see if you kind of want to go over some tongues if you need to. I don't think we need to. I think you look fire. And you can even like tuck like some pieces behind the ear that adds a little bit more detail. And then
voila!
Voila!
Ça va!
Ça va bien!
Ça va bien! So, Mason!
Yeah!
How do I look?
You look so sexy.
Professional.
So professional. You've got 2-day-old hair and you can rock this now for another day.
I can rock like this.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I feel like this is like a really smart look. Then nobody needs to know that your hair is not really that.
Yeah. And the thing is, like, you can wear this up, you can wear it down, like, you can go to fancy party with it, you can
go
pop
to
the
work.
lips, you can go to work with this,
Yeah.
and it's like, it's on point and you look hot.
Yes. So, guys, we're gonna link down below all the products that we've used during this tutorial.
Yeah.
So you can go and have a look and maybe try this out at home.
Definitely. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our Instagrams.
Yes, and let's stay in touch for more tutorials that are coming very soon.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next episode.